2005 Fleetwood Tioga 31K for sale in Albuquerque, New Mexico 87112. This 2005 Fleetwood Tioga 31K is ready to make your traveling dreams come true. It is powered by a strong Triton V10 engine matted with an automatic transmission. It features a charming layout design that is 31 feet in length and has a backup camera, factory cruise control, one super slide, one awning and sleeps comfortably up to 4. This is the ideal memory-making environment because it is clean and has been very well maintained. This Class CRV comes with everything you need to hit the road with minimal effort, and you can be sure that it will be making memories for many years to come. Get ready to make this 2005 Fleetwood Tioga 31K your next home away from home. This unit has tons of options and features that will incite comfort and tranquility while traveling. Some of these advantages include solid surface countertops 3 burner / oven microwave 3-way refrigerator / FreezerDouble kitchen SinkDinette with bench seating that folds down into BedCD / StereoSurround SoundSofa folds down into BedGlass enclosed shower toilet sink walk around queen bed master ClosetTop bunk area up front AC and heater work. Great 4000 watt Onan GeneratorSatellite DishFull basement storage UnderneathTow PackageBrand new tires and so much more. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to truly cherish every moment of your RV experiences. This 2005 Fleetwood Tioga 31K is ready to help you travel anywhere your heart desires both safely and efficiently. Don't hesitate. Call today for information on how this unparalleled 2005 Fleetwood Tioga 31K can be yours.